All right, we're on the job site here. Before we get up on the roof, we're just going to quickly introduce a couple products we're going to be using today. First one, Fast Track Satchel. It's going to save you a bunch of time getting your equipment up onto the roof. Next is going to be the FR tape. That's going to help you identify the rows of shingles. I'm going to show you how that's working in a second. And last but not least, the FR screw. We've had those out for a bit. Box of 250 number 10 wood screws for helping install your talons. Saving you a little bit of time going to the hardware store. Let's take a look. We'll get up on the roof and show you how all this works. All right, so the bag is perfect for getting all your equipment in. You can get your flashings, nice and easy. All of your bases. Carriage bolts, screws, and of course, the impact. We're all loaded up, ready to go. All right, just like that, got a gear up on the roof, we can get to work. Don't forget to lock in. Always be safe. Thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did like our video, definitely hit the like button below. Subscribe to our channel for future updates. And we'll keep posting. You keep watching. Have a great day.